Good day, trainees. I'm so glad to see you all here today. Welcome to Agricultural Crop Production in situ. This is a TESDA accredited training center, today's preferred institution engaged in lifelong learning, enabling communities meet the demands of the future. How are you today?
We're fine.
I guess you have prepared for this time to come. I hope that you'll enjoy at the same time, of course, you learn. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
But before we start, kindly stand up for the opening prayer. Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God as we say in the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Amen. Please take your seats. Once again, good day. I am Mark Emmanuel J. Misiona, your trainer in agricultural crop production in situ. But before we start, now let me take your attendance. Please sign this attendance sheet. Miss Magtibay and Miss Muri. Done? Okay, thank you. For me to gather more information about you, not just your name, I have a structured questionnaire that you need to fill out. This will help me know your profile, characteristic, learning styles, and this will serve as my guide in preparing your learning activities. Now, kindly fill up this form. I give you 10 minutes to finish that. Okay, done? Thank you. As I run through here, you're both high school and physically fit. Miss Magtibay has a visual learning style, while Miss Muring has an auditory learning style. That means you have different learning styles. Now this time, I want you to answer this self-assessment check. This is a checklist of competencies required in this qualification. This will help me determine your current competencies and be able to identify the skills, competencies needed by each one of you, so that the competencies that are already acquired will no longer be repeated. Please put a check to the yes column or no column. And please read thoroughly the different competencies enumerated in that checklist. If you check yes, make sure you know and can perform the task enumerated in that competency. Likewise, you will undergo an RPL or recognition of prior learning, in which you will have to go through institutional assessment, which is divided into three: written demonstration and oral questioning. You have 10 minutes to finish this. Okay, are you done? May I have your papers? Okay, Ms. Muring, you've checked yes on sustainable crop cultivation mastery, one of the competency in agricultural crop production in situ. Okay, Ms. Muring, make sure by tomorrow you can present your documents for that certain competency. This could be employment certificates with specific duties and responsibilities, certificate of award, certificate of training, and other related proofs that can perform the task enumerated in sustainable crop cultivation mastery. And by tomorrow, you will undergo institutional assessment. Now, I will let you answer this pre-test. This is a written test that would initially test your underpinning knowledge on the competencies in agricultural crop production in situ, and to determine your baseline knowledge and preparedness in this qualification. This is a 40-item test, multiple choice. Please read the instructions carefully. I will give you 30 minutes to answer that. Thank you. Okay, Dan, may I have your test papers? Thank you. Okay, good day. How are you feeling today?
We're fine.
Okay, good to know. But before we start our day two, can we sign this attendance sheet for today? Miss Moring, do you have with you your proof of evidence?
Yes, sir.
May I have it? Okay, thank you. Okay, Miss Moring, so you have an auditor on the job training in sustainable crop cultivation mastery. That's good. So please be ready for institutional assessment. For you, Miss Magtibay, you checked no on the all items in the self-assessment check yesterday. That means you have no prior learning or knowledge about sustainable crop cultivation mastery. So you will start with the first competency. I'll be posting here the training activity matrix. This will serve as your guide or map on which area you will go. Miss Moring, you will please prepare for the institutional assessment. Okay, Miss Moring, you may now go to the laboratory area. Now, Miss Magtibay, please proceed to the learning resource area and read this information sheet on sustainable crop cultivation mastery, including soil prep, planting, basics, cover tillage, seed selection, sowing. Do self-check. After reading and after answering, compare your answer with the answer key. Okay, time is up. Bring your output to the quality control and we will proceed to oral questioning. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first oral question, why check soil moisture before planting? Okay, and the second one is, what's the goal of proper spacing in cultivation? Okay, let us proceed to feedbacking. Based on the result of the written test, Miss Morin, you were able to get 90% of the correct answer, which is already high. In the demonstration, you were able to finish the sustainable crop cultivation mastery following the given outline. And in the oral questioning, you were able to answer all my questions correctly. Based on the evidences gathered, you were able to perform within the standard requirement for the first competency, which is to sustainable crop cultivation mastery. This proves that you have prior learning about this competency. Congratulations, Ms. Magtibay, for passing the institutional assessment. Now, let me record the result of the performance in the progress chart, and here is your certificate of achievement. Congratulations, Ms. Morin, for passing the institutional assessment. All the trainees were able to perform the different activities and their performances are recorded in the progress chart and achievement chart. See you tomorrow. Good day, trainees. Welcome to day 3. Please sign today's attendance sheet. This time, Ms. Magtibay, you will continue the information sheet, crops maintenance. You may now proceed to the learning resource area. And you, Ms. Morin, you will be taking post-test. The purpose of this post-test is to measure the achievements and the effectiveness of the training programs we have done. Next up, may I have your answer sheet? Finally, we've come to the most awaited part, which is the awarding of certificate of training for completing the 35 days training in agricultural crop production in situ. Now, as I call your name, kindly go to the front and receive your certificate. This certificate is given to Ms. Madeline Magtibay for completing the agricultural crop production in situ. The certificate is given to Ms. Morin. I now suggest that you take the National Competency Assessment at any assessment centers accredited for agricultural crop production in situ. Before you go, let me conduct program session evaluation. This program session evaluation is done to evaluate the effectiveness of the program in terms of the trainer, facilities, and methodologies. The results of the evaluation will further improve the program, so kindly give your honest rating by checking on the corresponding cell of your response. Answers will be treated with utmost confidentiality. Thank you. Please submit answer sheets and you may now go. Thank you and congratulations.